Previously on Kitchen Tool. Chef's hat. This one here is the shape of a garlic press. Kitchen Tool Part 2. This is a kitchen scale. Kitchen scale. It weighs your food. This Ferrero Rocher weighs 14 grams. Kitchen sink. Kitchen sink. Here we have measuring cups. Measuring cups. There are many different kinds and sizes of measuring cups. We have an eighth of a cup, a third of a cup, a quarter cup, and a half cup. These are used to measure ingredients when you're baking or cooking. If you need to measure smaller ingredients or smaller amount of ingredients, you would use measuring spoons. Measuring spoons like a teaspoon, a tablespoon. If you are cooking meat and you want to know the temperature inside the meat, you would use a meat thermometer. A meat thermometer. If you need to reheat or cook something quickly, not always the best way, but quickly, use a microwave. A microwave. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Muffin pan. Muffin pan. Nutcracker. Nutcracker. Pastry bag. Pastry bag. Next, we have a peeler. A peeler. And it is used to peel vegetable, fruits, and all sorts of food. Pie pan. Pie pan. A pitcher. Pitcher. This is a pizza cutter. A pizza cutter. And it is used to cut pizza. Platter. Platter. Here is a popcorn machine or a popcorn maker. A popcorn machine or a popcorn maker. It heats up and makes popcorn. Pot. Pot. Here we have a potato masher. A potato masher. And it is used to mash potatoes. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. This right over here is my favorite appliance in the kitchen. It's called the refrigerator. Refrigerator. That's where I keep all of my best friends. You have the rice cooker. The rice cooker. This is where you cook rice. Rice paddle. Rice paddle. Salt shaker. Salt shaker. Pepper mill grinder. Saucepan. Saucepan. Shot glass. Shot glass. Sieve. Sieve. Silverware. Silverware. Skillet. Skillet. Slow cooker. Slow cooker. Soup spoon. Soup spoon. 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 Spork. Spork. A fork and a spoon. Spork. Stand mixer. Stand mixer. Teapot. Teapot. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Another spoon. Tablespoon. Tablespoon. Turkey baster. Turkey baster. Wok. Wok. Here we have a spatula. Spatula. A turner. Turner. However, these days both of these are called spatula. Spatula. And we use a spatula to turn, to flip burger patty, pancakes, anything. This whole appliance here, we call this the stove. The stove. This part here, where you can cook a juicy turkey, or some pizzas. We call this part the oven. This whole part here, we call that the stove top. The stove top. See, whoa, let there be fire. If you want to toast bread, bagels, Eggos, you would need a toaster. Toaster. Ooh, my imaginary bread. These are called tongs. Tongs. They're used to grab food. This is called a whisk. A whisk. And it is used to whisk and mix ingredients. That was 100 kitchen tools and appliances in English. Man, it took a long time to find all of those tools. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, click over here. If you're wondering, how about different furnitures and different rooms in a house? Click down there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button.